Well then, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we are doing another 24-hour transformation. So today we are working on this Transit Custom, which is a good friend of ours. It's already had a camper conversion and now we need to make sure the outside looks as good as the inside. So what we are going to be doing is pretty much fitting as many parts as we have available for the Transit Custom to this. So Mitch has pulled it in the bay now, so let's get cracking on. Right then, so that's the standard suspension taken off now, and we're going to be fitting our iBack 40mm Pro Sport lowering springs. So let's go grab the box now and let's get them fitted. So as you've just seen, Mitch has now installed the iBack Pro Sport 40mm lowering springs, so they're a very good addition to this van. Next up, it's time to start doing the visual mods. So first up, we're going to go ahead and do the grille, then we've got sidebars, and then a whole load of other things to do to it. So for everything that we are installing, there should be a Mitch Fits already on the channel for it, so make sure to go check them out if you do need any help with installing these products, and they will also be linked in the description below. So as this Transit has a camper conversion and some electrical hookup points, they're about to make some modifications to the front grille. So Mitch is now just doing that with our new gloss black one. So that's the honeycomb gloss black grille now fitted, and that looks so much better. Like I said, Mitch has adapted it so that the hookup point can go in there. So now, next up is the gloss black splitter. So Mitch is just unboxing that now. Again, there should be a full how to fit video on a front splitter if you need any help, but it is quite simple. So that's going to be going on along there. Right then, so the front splitter's on and also the rear splitter. As this does have a tow bar, as you can see here, we've had to make some slight modifications to it, but you wouldn't usually have to do this if your van doesn't have a tow bar. Next up, let's put the wheels on. They're going to change this van completely. So Mitchell got a bit carried away as he normally does, and a few more things have been installed. So first up, we've got the 20-inch bronze Navis Novus alloys. So these are now available on our website and naviswheels.com, as well as the Novus alloys. We've also gone ahead and put our matte black trapezoid sidebars on. So these are available in matte black and gloss black on our website now. So that is another 24-hour transformation video now complete, and this Transit Custom is looking a whole lot better. So we've done quite a few things to this. Every single product that we have put on this van is available on our websites. So if you are looking to modify your T7 or Transit Custom, make sure to go check out the website. As I mentioned, all the links will be in the description below, so make sure to go check those links out. So let's go around and show you what we've done to it. So we'll start around the front of the vehicle. So we've gone ahead and put the honeycomb gloss black grille on. We did have to do a few modifications because, as I mentioned, this has got a hookup point on it, so I had to do a slight modification to make sure that fitted correctly as it's supposed to. And then we've also gone ahead and added our gloss black lower front splitter. Just them two things completely changed the front end of it. Going around the van, so we've got the lovely bronze 20-inch Navis Novus alloys, so they're a really good addition to this van. As well as the wheels, we've gone ahead and put our IBAC 40mm lowering springs on it, which makes a huge difference to the stance of the vehicle. We've got the matte black trapezoid sidebars, so they're just a nice addition to the side of the van. And then round the back, we've gone ahead and added our black rear brake light, and then also a gloss black lower splitter. There is one more thing before I forget. We have added the black sequential side repeaters, so nice little modification, nice and easy to do. It is literally one bolt, take them out and replace them. So yeah, that is the 24-hour transformation complete on the Transit Custom. Let us know what you think in the comments down below. If you have enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. We are so close to 50,000 subscribers, so if you're not subscribed already, make sure to subscribe to the channel. We have got a lot of big projects coming very soon, so you don't want to miss out on those. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.